The Colt clamp-on bipod is a pretty sturdy device. Simple. All you have to do is clamp it on and off from your M16 or your M4 carbine. The problem is, what do you do when you're not using it? It wants to stay open. What we did when we fielded these clamp-on bipods is we had a special pouch that we would keep the bipod inside the pouch. Unfortunately, it wants to come open, even in the pouch. What can we do about it to make this thing more useful? What you can do is take a boot blousing rubber, which is made by tabs, sew them together like so, and then slip them on the bottom of the bipod. The Velcro, aka hook and loop, will then allow you to put the bipod together like this and stretch the Velcro over it to keep it closed. Cost to you is just a few minutes of your time and a few dollars to have somebody do the sewing. That's why you don't even need a pouch. You can just close the bipod, Velcro it closed, connect it to your LBE.